Ukukumbira kuti vanhu vaisa rumashure apa mutivhuriro apa ta background iyi. Kana kumashure kwese.
Vanogata kana black apa shuya uku.
Queen oropa nongwari ipo kama msingi.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Gonzi. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Gonzi. How old are you now?
I'm old enough now.
I'm old enough now. I'm old enough now. We wish you many more. 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 Freestyle, I am
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Freestyle.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Freestyle yekwa birthday alijeze but nasi baba day.
Yeah, man.
Chatufala kana isusu tukupisa mu Harare. Kuna freestyle cause tuneskiri.
Yeah, man.
Mungu aneflow tofraka na maskiri. Yeah, man. Number one.
Yeah, man.
Number one. Kugeta buwa
Fini.
kubuda mu screen. Unaweza masini. Ati yo tatora masini. Wednesday. Ona right now pane keke. Kana ndakuimba kuge iri msani peke.
Who is your
Girlfriend. Who is your girlfriend? Who is your girlfriend? Tina? Who is your girlfriend? Gonzi. Onira. From boys to men. So if I say from boys, you say to men. If I say from boys, you say to men. From boys to men. From boys to men. From boys to men. Oh! Tanga celebrate bavajira ti Gonzi zvazonzi aiwa tanga spirozora ponzi nemababy Where is Dollar Fed? Dollar Fed! Dollar Fed! Dollar Fed! Dollar Fed!
They can say anything. This is the moment.
I just want to say that mkomana ne humility wise because pandakatanga kusvika pana vasingazivi producer akazonzo from some people but those kills but the first time ndakauya pana vakatunga chiri kills ndakanzwa mabits ako yachi saka indo appreciate humility anayo ndoti mwari ngamwezere makura waiza yekurarama panyika.
We receive.
Gonzi anoimba.
We receive. Okay. Anyone?
I'd like to wish Gonzi many more years. And like Gonzi, like it's too early for you to be out of the game. We expect a lot more from you.
Yes.
I really need you to consider.
Membel!
Yeah. Thank you. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Membel! Right. Yes, I think my best. Bye! Hello? Yeah. I'm sorry. Waberekes. Invite for ghost magician.
Ghost magician. But pay
Saka inini hangu.
Mupe nguva yake please. Tokumbira kuti mupe nguva yake.
As one of the producers of From Boys to Men album, I'm very proud. Kungendri panapa and my work song, I think itango mazwa, but andikwanisa ngopera ipapo. Ozi song itrema gitara kuimba tina mavoice. Kwedu ndo.
Yes. Chotenda toskudza.
My sister one kid. It's okay. Hey, inside. Gonzi ndiye king we hip hop. Chikoti igwe. Hip hop yaku ghetto. Bye.
Okay. Alright, so tine vamwe vedu vasiri panapa vada kungonzwa voice remukomana saka apa takumbopa nguva kumukomana.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Gonzi. I'm on live. Thank you so much for the love and support. We just enjoying the birthday at my place with friends and family. Thank you so much for the love and support you give me year in, year out. Sorry for the delay, but the album is out in a few seconds. Kwamori. Just wait for it. My friends vanotida. Moramba magadaro. Everything is it's good criticism to us. Tikaramba tichita beta pane zvatirikutadza. Toramba futi tisingateerere pane vari kutiudza zvinhu zvinenge zvisina kushasha kunaka. But at the same time, all of you motivate us. And I, Gonzi Mwembel, I love you all. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright. Pavana screen shouts to Regman Styles, Gift Kijoko, Tanaka Brendan, Imagine Shumba, shouts to Nesh Coops, Plama Mafuja, Munashe Chiangwa, Anesusi Vangani, Arnold Msariri, Tawanda Nejochuma, Tawanda Zinyembe, Munashe Chiangwa. I love you so much, guys. Kunyanyanya vese vandisina kutaura but vari panapa. I love you.
So we end now.